Want a big screen experience without the hassle? Meet the Epson EF-22 Smart Laser Projector, your ticket to epic movie nights, gaming, and more. Let's check out what makes this projector a game changer. Big screen entertainment. Imagine watching your favorite movies, shows, or sports on a massive 150-inch screen, right at home. The EF-22 turns any space into a theater-like experience. Perfect for parties or cozy nights in. Bright and clear, day or night. Worried about daylight viewing? No problem. With 1000 lumens of brightness, this projector delivers vibrant colors even in well-lit rooms. Of course, darker rooms look best, but it's way brighter than most portable projectors. Stunning picture quality. Thanks to 3 LCD laser technology, you get full HD resolution with HDR colors. Super sharp and rich. Whether it's movies, gaming, or sports, everything looks crisp and lifelike. Portable and easy setup. Love flexibility? The 360-degree swivel stand lets you project on walls, ceilings, anywhere. Plus, Epic Sense Tech auto-adjusts focus and alignment in seconds. No complicated setup. Long-lasting laser light. No more replacing bulbs. The 20,000-hour laser light source means years of worry-free use. Just turn it on and enjoy. Smart features and audio. It comes with Google TV, stream Netflix, Disney+, and more from 10,000 plus apps. Plus, the built-in Dolby speakers deliver surprisingly powerful sound. Great for gaming and streaming. Gamers, you'll love the low input lag. And with HDMI ports, you can easily connect consoles or streaming sticks like Fire TV or Apple TV. In conclusion, the Epson EF-22 is a versatile, high-quality projector with bright, sharp visuals, smart features, and hassle-free setup. Perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a big screen experience anywhere. Want to try it? Check the link in the description for the best price. Hit like if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.